Hey guys, what's going on? So check out what I just designed. This is an origami pin holder. It's like an envelope, and you can stick your pin in there. And on this side, it's got a tiny envelope on the back, and it looks like an envelope. See? And it looks pretty cool. So it's an envelope attached to an envelope. And alright, ready, set, here it goes. So let's begin with the white side up and fold in half. So the envelope's going to be blue with a white inside to it. And beware, I have both of my dogs in this room, so hope they might bark, I don't know. But if they do, just ignore it. Okay, and fold in half the other way. Okay, and now fold this point to the middle. Just two opposite points. We're not blitzing. Okay, unfold, and repeat on this side. Alright, now fold the point to the last crease. Alright, and unfold, and let's fold this point to the first crease. And rotate, and fold this point to the last crease. And unfold and fold to the nearest crease. Okay, and keep this one folded, and now fold this up on this crease, and unfold this flap, and fold this down like this, and then fold this flap behind, like that. Okay, so, and at this point, oh look, we have eyes. Okay, so at this point you can pick which side can be the envelope side, or the pin holder side. I'll make this be the pin holder side, so let's turn over on this side. And we're going to fold this up. So this point touches this point where this crease hits the edge. Alright. Okay. And rotate like this. And fold this point to here. Like that. And look at that. We have the small envelope done. And best news ever, we are done. Look at that. Check this out. So here's the pin holder right here. And this is an envelope as well. Or it can be a chopstick holder, so you can put your chopsticks in there. Yeah. So one of my neighbors actually gave me a pair of chopsticks and an origami. He actually made an origami envelope kind of thing that's similar to this. And that's what inspired me to design this. And yeah, this was a pretty easy design. And I like it. I'm pretty psyched about this. So a pin holder. And you can use this for, I don't know, money or whatever, if you have big enough paper. But if it's small like this, you can put like maybe a quarter inside of it. Some coins. Okay, I'll put a quarter in there. And I guess I'll put a nickel in there too. And a penny. And I guess another quarter. Yeah, and then you can put like a piece of tape or a sticker on there to seal it. And yeah, so they'll have a nice surprise. So you can make these for like school or whatever, for your students or whatever. So any teachers that are watching this video, you can probably make this for your students. And you can put a pencil in there or so, put it on their pencil holder. And yeah, and maybe put an eraser inside the envelope part, so they'll have a nice surprise in there too. And alright, well, pretty much enough with that. I think this is pretty cool, pretty handy, and useful. Alright, well, hope you guys found this model useful and interesting, and make sure you subscribe, and I guess I'll dump my coins back out of here. This isn't my money, by the way. I'm just borrowing it for this tutorial. I think this is my brother's money. I guess I'll put these back right here. Alright. Make sure you hit that subscribe button. I'll put the word subscribe right here so you can see it, so you don't forget. And I'll see you guys later. Alright, bye-bye. Oh, hey. This is my cat signing out. Okay, bye, guys.